Hey, what's up everybody? I hope you're all having an awesome day. Today I wanted to show you guys what the Lean Body Pack looks like. So if you go to the website and check out products, you'll see that there's a Lean Body Pack. Check on the Learn More section because there's a lot of very helpful information in there. But I wanted to tell you today why I believe so much in maintaining lean muscle mass. Muscle mass, as we age, obviously we start to lose muscle mass, but muscle mass is the best predictor of healthy aging. And it's way better and way more efficient than fat. And so obviously having too much fat around our central organs is a big problem. It contributes to chronic disease. So replacing fat with lean muscle mass is always a good idea. So what we did, we put together a few different products, and we feel like these are the best products that help you help build and maintain lean body mass. So let's start with the protein. We've got the complete plant-based protein, 2 bottles of this, which is amazing. At least 1 serving a day. And then we've got the amino acids. We have 2 flavors that you can choose from, the fruit punch and the lemon lime. And then we're gonna move on to the multivitamin. This is the men's, but we also have a women's multivitamin you can choose from. There's the magnesium, ultra magnesium complex. And this is gonna be an amazing thing to help you obviously maintain, but to recover from any exercise. And then the D3 with K2. So it's an essential vitamin, it's a fat-soluble vitamin. If you go to the website to learn more, you will see how to get the most out of these products. And check it out, I got the new swag on, the new t-shirt. If you haven't already, check that on the website as well. All right, talk to you soon. Take care.